In Figma, removing or detaching a component involves breaking its connection to the master component, allowing you to edit it as a standalone object. Here's how to do it. Select the component. Click on the component instance you want to remove or detach from the canvas to select it. Detach the component. Right-click on the selected component or go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Choose the Detach from Main Component option. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Alt+B to detach the component. Confirm detachment. Figma will prompt you to confirm the detachment action. Click Detach to proceed. Edit the detached component. Once detached, the component instance becomes a standalone object, and you can edit it independently of the master component. Make any desired changes, such as resizing, repositioning, or modifying its properties. Save changes. After making edits to the detached component, remember to save your changes by clicking the Save button in the Figma toolbar or using the Ctrl+S shortcut.